again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So we're going to get my left hand done today. My nails are so crusty dusty. Don't even look at them. Close your eyes and I'll tell you when to open them. Right, so I've just took my previous set off and I'm just scraping away any dead skin from my cuticles. A lot of this is leftover products. I have still got a little layer of products left on my nails, which I'm not bothered about. It just adds a bit of protection. So yeah, a lot of this is leftover product, and yeah, I think I've got a peel off base coat on. I can't even remember. Right, so you need to buff off the shiny surface on your natural nails. Just get your natural nails nice and chalky and buffed and scruffed up, roughed up, and then give them a really good clean. And I'm going in with another base coat, just a nice thin even coat of base coat, and that's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm doing the pop off method today, guys. So these are just cheap plastic tips. They've got a nice apex in them, and I'm using this hard jelly gel from Venalisa because it doesn't move, and this is what you want. You can't do this method with a runny gel. You need a gel that doesn't move. It's pretty much going to stay where you put it. Do not etch the inside of your tips either, because we're going to be popping them off. So you can only use tips that are shiny. If you've got tips that are pre-etched inside, this won't work. So just use cheap tips that are not etched or buffed inside. Stiff, thick, plastic, rigid ones are the best for this method. So I'm just filling that tip. You need quite a good amount of product in that tip, because we're going to be popping the tip off and leaving the product behind. So you need enough product to be left behind that it's thick enough and it's strong enough and it's not going to snap. I'm not filling the tip because I didn't want them that long. I've kept it thin at the cuticle and thin at the tip, and I'm just going to place it on really gently. Don't press down whatsoever, because it is still a gel. It will squidge out. Just place it on, get it straight, and stick that straight in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. And then you want to pop it off whilst it's still warm. Just get something under the lip of that tip like that and just pop it off. Look how easy is that, and you've got a perfectly shaped nail left behind. Isn't that quick and easy? So I'll quickly show you doing one, maybe two more. So again, get it really thin at that cuticle area. And you need to make sure you get it right up them sides as well. It's so important to get it right up them side tips. Because yeah, if there's any transparent bits or thin bits, it will just cause your nail to snap. So I do concentrate and make sure I get it right up them sides. That's the last thing I do before I put it onto the nail, actually, is them side bits. I had a bloody air bubble there, can you see it? So I had to pull that out and then fix all up the side of that nail again. Pissed me off, that air bubble did. So again, I'm just going to place it really gently onto my nail and just slide it into place as close to my cuticle as I can get it. Don't put any pressure on, just rest it on there and it will fully attach itself because it's a gel. And then again, whilst it's still a little bit warm, fresh out the lamp, just pop that tip off. I love it. So I'll just show you attaching this one last one and popping them off, and I'll be back in a sec. So that's them all done. I had to sculpt my thumb myself because the tips are too small. So I'm just going to get any tackiness off before I file. I'm just going to file around the sides and around the cuticle area. You get a little bit of a lip. Oh, I'm just filing the tips first, getting them all the same length. Yeah, you get a little bit of a lip, can you see, around the cuticle area where the edge of the tip was. Just going to get rid of that little lip around the sides and the cuticle area, and that's all the shaping there is really. The tip does it all for you and it does a fantastic job. And then I'm going to use a buffer as well and just get the nails really smooth, ready for a little bit of nail art. Right, so this is where we're at. They're all filed and buffed. How neat and tidy are they? So you've got a full set of hard gel nails without no plastic or tips. So I've pulled out these glow tips gels. I got these last summer and totally forgot about them. I come across these yesterday and they are beautiful, like bright kind of pastels. So we've got a green. This is called Palm Trees. Look at that, really bright minty pastel green. Yellow is called Sunshine Soul, bright yellow. And then the pink is called Pink Tea Crush. I love these colours. They're nice bright pastels, aren't they? I love them. And then the purple is called Big Dream. Again, beautiful bright pastel purple. And lastly, we have got the blue, which is called Dreamy Vibes. Beautiful, beautiful. Again, it's a brighter pastel, isn't it? I think that's why I like these. They're like, I call them candy colours, just bright pastel colours. So I've put a little bit of each colour on my palette, and I'm just going to do French tips, but I'm just going to do half. So half a smile line like that, and then straight down the middle of my nail like that, and then I'm going to colour that in, and that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm just going to do that on every single nail. Obviously I'm going to do a different colour on each nail, just keeping it really plain, really simple. And these gels cure in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. I think I've got a 10% discount code for glow tips. I think it might be Aggie10. I'll leave it in the description box anyway. Right, so all I'm going to do now is, using a white, I'm just going to do a line straight down the edge of the French tip and up the smile line. Just separate line, not any rhyme or reason. I just think it looked quite quirky. So I've done that on all the nails. I really liked these in matte, you know, but I went with glossy. I think I might change them to matte. I do like them in matte. So anyway, quick glossy top coat, and that'll be this set finished. Super quick and easy, this set, guys, and these will last you 2 weeks. As long as you prep your nails properly, they will last 2 weeks. So there we go, that is them finished. I really like them. I did end up buffing over that middle finger because I could see a little bump, fleck of dust or something, and it was doing my head in. So I did buff over that middle nail and re-top coat it. But yeah, I really like them. I love this application with the full cover tips and hard gel. It's so quick, it's so easy, and you get a perfect shape every time. Super beginner friendly. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.